Train with WK. Today you will learn about the second topic, C sharp fundamental. So where is so I'm just telling you the topic. Yes, this is the second tutorial, second part of C sharp fundamental. So what is the topic which we will discuss in this topic? Using keywords, namespace, main method, class, console.read key, comments, key points, and at the end we will create a project. So let's start. This is the link of our YouTube channel. You can share, subscribe, and comment. So please subscribe. After that you will get the latest updates. Key points. It is the word. Note that the following points. C sharp is case sensitive. So C sharp is basically server side language and it's a case sensitive. All statement and expression must end with the semicolon. The program execution start at the main method. So this is the rectangle program. So we will make it. How to make the project? So let's start. So when you click on the project, we have already created a project. So I am going to just removing this. So I am taking here data type double, and this is the basically length. We are taking a 12.5 and another data type is double width. Now we are just writing console dot right and right line. If you write a right line, it will change the line when you give the input to the system, and if you read right, it will not change the line. So I am just writing here right line. This is the output for welcome to second project. Another line. Area is just you have to pass here an index, so system will read the first value. I am taking another data type double area, which is 0, initialize, and you can write here. Before execution you have to calculate the area. So it will multiply length with width. So here just write here console dot you can read here the definition. Obtain the next character of function key press by the user. The press key is displayed in the console window. It will display the console read key, and whenever you will enter the any key, it will close the program right here and just execute here. So this is the area 62.5. now we have just want to display the here just making a program for presentation. So you can write here length is 0 is basically index, and you can write here length, copy it, paste here, width, change the width, length is, width is, then it will multiply and show the area. If you want to make more presentation, more presentable, if you want to make more presentable, so right here and execute it. Welcome to second project. Length is 12.5, width is 5. When it will be multiplied in the area is 62.5. now you can see here console.read key, it's cursoring here, just click and it will end the program. So this is the main method basically, and this is a class program. This is the name is basically collection of classes. Main method, you can run functions, methods, main program, it will execute the main program. This is a using system. When I want I'm going to remove it, what will show? It's showing the missing the references of the systems. So just press control dot, and the another method, when you go to on the cursor, it will show the link, click use, it will add the using system and error will be removed. So this is the program of today's topic. We have calculated the area. So this is the basic program. I will just provide you in the comment sections. You can copy it and execute it. Simple, this program.